Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to install a plugin by running script files written in Python in OBS Studio. We have two plugins. One of them is zoom effect and mouse tracking feature. Another feature is the ability to draw on the screen while broadcasting. First of all, I must say that OBS Studio works with Python 3.6 and lower versions. After downloading the Python 3.6.8 file, we proceed to the installation. Since I have installed it before, I will show you the boxes I checked while installing. You can see the directory information to be installed in the Customize Installation Location section. After the installation is finished, we click on the Script section in the OBS Studio Tools tab. We define the directory where the Python program is installed, in the Python Settings tab. We can start the plugin installation once we see the Python plugin working. We copy the links of the plugins from the GitHub site. You can download files using the cloning feature of GitHub program. Then we add Python files from the Add Script section. We run the commands in the instruction for the Zoom plugin to work. If you see the description section in the script section, the plugin is working. We are editing in the Edit Transform section to determine the shape of the screen when the zoom feature works. We determine the shortcut keys for the zoom feature, mouse tracking feature, and whiteboard feature. Let's test it working now. It's that simple to use, guys. Hope the video will be useful to you all. See you again.